Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Otterbox Defender Pro Case for your beautiful S25 Ultra. If you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. I got it directly from their website and it shipped within a couple days. They also sent me a free belt clip because I ordered it from their website. So I know a lot of people they use this belt clip, they want to use it, and they used to charge, or they do charge like $19 for it, but you can get it free for a certain period of time. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it add bulk? Can you wireless charge with it? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Also the overall feel of the case. Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I have always been using Otterbox cases for a long time now. I actually have one for the S24 Ultra, so I was like, man, I gotta get one for the S25. So here we are. Let's get into it. Nice packaging from them. If you want to pause that, you can definitely do so. And if you want to sit there and read that too, you can. The one thing I noticed though, with the presentation, the case seems a little bit more lightweight and then not as heavy duty as their predecessor. It doesn't feel like as bulky as the other cases that they have, which is okay. I mean, if it gives me that protection still, then I'm okay with that. It says, welcome to your Otterbox case. Let's see. Oh, it does say, do you want a free belt clip there? Bam. It has little instructions on there, but we're going to show you how to install it. Believe it or not, a lot of people have struggled with this, but my easiest way is where the things come together at the bottom. Just peel it off. It's like a three-piece case. So you have this rubber part, bam, and it has a lot of grip. Like I'm a DJ or something. And then it has these little arrows, bam, bam, all around. So what you want to do is this little clip right here. You just peel it apart. And then up here, around here, and then at the bottom, and then voila, it comes apart. What I normally do, and you can see Otterbox logo, this has like a little cushion part to it, so it's not gonna scratch up your beautiful phone. But what I do is put it back here, line these back up, and then just make sure they clip in. Wherever you see an arrow, make sure it clips. And you're going to hear it too. So once you make sure that's all clipped in, right? Got it all clipped in, you just reverse it. Stick it down here and then just go around. Make sure the rubber pieces come together like that. All the way around. So when you talk about fit, this case is not going to come popping out because you have 3 different layers of having it together. So the fit is really good. I mean, look, there's no movement at all. The first thing I noticed too is the grip on the sides and then the back. It gives you definitely a lot of grip. You get camera protection there. Bam. You also look at the lip protection at the top and the bottom. I mean, that is a lot. So if you place it down, for example, let's see, look, you have a lot of protection there, so you don't have to worry about your display hitting the ground at all. The power button, nice and tactile. The volume rockers are nice and easy to press. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have this little hole for your charging port there, little cover. Speakers there. Look at the pin cutout. It's easy to get to because it does have the indentation down there, but still gives you protection too if you drop it there on the corner. Now, will this case add bulk? It does add bulk, but this Defender Pro for the 2025 version is not as bulky as some of the other cases that they have in the previous years. You know, look at it. It's not as bulky as some of the other cases. They slimmed down their design a little. I don't know what they did, but it definitely looks a little bit less bulky than other designs that they had in previous years. So I do like that, but you got so much grip on this phone too. So if you drop it, I mean, you heard it bounce. Like, it hits the corners and just bounces. So you have that drop protection that you're known for. Bam. Can you wireless charge? I don't know if my charger would do this or not, but we will find out. Yes, I am wireless charging up there, as you can tell, and it is still charging too. So I can wireless charge with this case on there. Then here's the belt clip. I know a lot of people love to have belt clips. I don't understand it, but bam. And then with this one too, if you flip it over, if I'm not mistaken here, you put this bad boy in here. This thing acts like a, it acts like a kickstand. So bam, you can use it as a kickstand too. So I will have the links in the description if you want to pick up this case. But before we do that, yes, it checks off a lot of boxes. I love the grip that you get on here. The grip is probably top notch. I love the grip. The buttons feel really nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom there. The only thing that I know some people will complain about, does not have MagSafe yet. They have other cases that will come MagSafe, but this one does not. The camera cutout could be a little bit more precise too. I do like other companies that have precise cutouts like that, but this one doesn't. But overall, it checks off a lot of boxes. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely get it from their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.